Now you will see how to connect BingX to TradingView step by step. First, you probably want to get a little bit of background about TradingView and BingX because you are trusting them with your money. BingX is one of the top crypto platforms used by millions of people worldwide. They have a user-friendly interface on mobile and also on the computer, so it's great even for beginners. And you can usually trade without ID verification, which is not possible on many other platforms like Binance, for example. And I will leave you a direct link in the description where you can join BingX. You will land on this page where you will see your welcome rewards, and you can create your free account using your email address, phone number, or Google or Apple account. All sign-up methods are free. TradingView is a leading charting platform for traders and investors worldwide. They have over 30 million monthly active users, and they provide multiple pre-built indicators and strategies. They also provide integrations with the top crypto exchanges, as you will see in a moment. I will also leave you a link in the description right here below the video where you can join TradingView as well. After clicking the link below my video, you will land on the TradingView website where you will see your welcome offer and rewards. You can also create a free account to start using TradingView for free. Before I show you the steps to connect TradingView with BingX, I want you to make aware that you can also use the TradingView's built-in feature on BingX even without connecting. You can see it's available here on the BingX derivatives. Here is a TradingView. Here you can draw all the trend lines. You have all the available indicators and different things. Here also the same with spot. So that's why many people prefer not to connect, because they can just directly trade on BingX without extra connections. However, some people do want to connect this because they may save time. There may be more trading tools, alerts, etc. etc. And let me show how you can do it, starting from the home page of TradingView. You choose your trading pair. At this point it can be anything. You click here, see on supercharts, and you come into this trading page. And if you are on any of these other tabs, you can simply click here for trading panel. Notice that sometimes it may be hidden like this, so then you can click here open panel, and here trading panel, and here we will see BingX. If you are on the mobile app, you will see it here on the chart. Then you click this analysis hub and you click here trade with your broker, and here you can see BingX. You click it and then you click here connect. So the process is the same on the mobile phone and also on your computer, but in today's video I will show you mostly on the computer because it may be easier for you. Here on the computer you simply choose your favorite broker, in this case BingX. If you are saying that, hey, I don't find BingX there are other ways you can find it. For example, you can type on Google TradingView brokers, and then you can click here top brokers, and here you click crypto, and now you will find OKX, BingX, and again here you can connect, and you will also see other ones. But you might notice something. Where is BYBIT? It's not here on the list. So then again you can type BYBIT TradingView, and again if you don't see BingX you can type here BingX TradingView, and then you click here for the TradingView website, and here you can click trade, and then you can connect. So there are 3 different ways how you can find it. The first one is finding it here. If you don't see it there, then you go through Google to top brokers, and then the third option is to type here BingX TradingView, and here BingX TradingView reviews and terms, and here again open account and trade. You can see that BingX has won several awards, Best Crypto Broker Exchange 2021, same also 22 and 23. So TradingView users seem to love to use BingX. Now after you click this, it gives you an option to connect. However, you may see this error message. It says error, please check your internet connection. And that is what I saw when I tried to connect BingX with TradingView for the first time. So what I did after seeing this error message is that I opened TradingView on another browser, Safari in that case, and then it worked. For some reason when I was trying to connect using Google Chrome, it was always showing this "please check your internet connection" error, even though my internet connection was perfect. Next day it also worked with the original browser, in this case Google Chrome, but if for some reason you continue seeing this error and it wouldn't work for you with any browser, you may want to delete the browsing history and try again. And then of course the last resort is to contact TradingView support by clicking here "let us know." However, I did that 3 days ago. I contacted their support and they still haven't responded to me, even though it has been more than 3 days. So you probably want to solve it on your own and use the support only as the last resort. For me, using another browser solved the issue immediately. Then you simply click here "connect." It may take you to BingX, where you may need to log in and authorize the connection, even though you would have been logged in, because you can see here I'm already logged into BingX on another tab, but it still tells me to log in again. So I will log in now and then we will come back.
A few moments later.
You can see that my account has now been connected. Here is my trade on BingX. If I go to the official BingX website and I scroll down, you can see the same trade right here. You can verify it by looking at the unrealized P&L, and it's the same here on the TradingView. Before we move forward and I will show you how to do the trading within the TradingView, I want to remind that when you connect any third party to your exchange account, it brings additional counterparty risk, because in this case TradingView will be able to trade on your account, see your account. So I recommend that you only keep the connection open while you actively trade, and you disconnect it once you are done trading for that session. You can also set up notifications and alerts on your BingX account if anything unusual happens, and you will be able to react fast. I will now click here to collapse the panel, and we will start going through how to trade in practice. If I click right here for the trading pair or symbol and I close here, I can click here BingX, and now it shows different BingX trading pairs. At the moment when I'm recording this video, trading supports only perpetual futures contracts, as you can see, perpetual contract. Perhaps in the future they will support spot trading also, but at the moment of recording, if you want to trade spot, you need to go to the official BingX website, click here spot, and here you can trade with a couple of clicks of a button. You also may notice that they don't support all the trading pairs here with this TradingView connection. For example, I went to BingX and I clicked here BTC, and then here favorites, and I click here BTC USDC. I'm able to trade it here on the BingX website. But if I go to TradingView and I choose here BTC USDC perpetual contract, it shows me the price chart. I'm able to analyze it here in the same way that I'm able to analyze it here on the BingX, but I still cannot trade it here within TradingView. When I tried to execute a trade on TradingView with BTC USDC trading pair, it said order rejected, invalid parameters. It says this field must end with USDT perpetuals. And the main reason for that is probably because it usually costs some money from these platforms, in this case BingX, to maintain that connection, and the 24-hour volume for BTC USDC is only around 12 million at the moment of recording this video. Meanwhile, for BTC USDT, the trading volume is more than $500 million in 24 hours. So it makes sense for them to focus on that one. Since I have already this trade open with BTC USDT trading pair, I will be showing you examples now with Ethereum USDT. You can see the trading volume for that one is also massive, almost $500 million USDT in the last 24 hours. So let's search for that one here in the TradingView. I choose here ETH, and here you can see Ethereum USDT perpetual contract. So I choose that one, and now I'm able to trade here. I can trade here by clicking sell and buy. So buy means long, sell means short. If I click here buy, it opens this panel right here, and now I'm able to change the leverage also. Let me give you an example of that one. Margin mode is isolated 5x leverage. When I go back to the BingX website, you can see here the same, 5x isolated. But let me change it here on the trading view to illustrate it. I will choose here 25x, which of course I don't recommend because it's too high, but I just show it to you for example purposes. I click here confirm and I go back to BingX. You can see 25x has been changed for the long. If I choose here sell, I'm able to change also the leverage for that. Let me put here 50x just for the example purposes. I go right here and you can see they have been changed in real time also on the BingX website. So that's the beauty of this connection. You can also choose, do you want to use margin isolated mode or cross? I will keep it now as isolated. You can also choose the order type, market order, limit order, stop limit. You can see right here. With the market orders, your trades are executed immediately. With limit order, you may have a lower fee, but you may wait for longer until it's filled. With limit, you can decide at what price you want to buy or sell. Meanwhile, with market, your trade will be executed at the current market price. If you want to set up take profit and stop losses, you can also tap these boxes, and here you can choose to set them up as well, or you can leave them empty if that is what you prefer. Here you can choose the quantity and margin, and if I click here, the minimum is 0.01. Let me choose here 1 just for the example purposes. Then I click here buy so long, and you can see the trade was executed. I can click here show more. Here the order was placed and the order was executed at the same price. Now if you want to see your trade in practice, you can click here open panel, and here is my Ethereum USDT trade. Here it will start showing the PNL, here is the leverage and the other details. And when I go to the BingX website, you can see that the trade has also been opened right here, Ethereum USDT. Here it is. When you want to modify your trade, you can click this one right here, and here you can still set up take profit and stop loss even while your trade is open. If I click here modify, you can see that they have been set up. I close this one, and you can see here take profit and also stop loss. And you can see stop loss was executed because the price reached a specific level. Close all, and you can see now the Ethereum trade was done. Let me also show how you can open and close a sell order. So short, I will choose here the amount. Let me put 0.1 USDT. I click here sell. Order was sent, and you can see order is placed and executed. Here you can see my short order. And now when I want to close it manually, I can simply click here close. And here I can close the whole position by clicking this one. Or if I want to close it partially, I can click partial close. And here I can close, for example, 0.01, or I can simply tap this box off, click here close position, and you can see what happens. It was successfully closed. Let me show how you can start using helpful features here with the trading view with this connection. One of the interesting ones is this alert. So you can click right here, and let's set up here 2500. You can choose if you want to get this alert or notification only once. So every time 2500 is reached, I will click here only once. You can choose here if you want to have expiration or not. If you want to choose open-ended alert, then you would need to have the premium account. But of course you can always choose the alert for the future. Let's say for example 1 month from now set. So then if it reaches within 1 month, you anyways get the alert. I click here create. Setting up alerts is just one of the many helpful features on TradingView. Let me know in the comments below the video if you want to know how to use any other features on TradingView, and I may create a dedicated tutorial helping you further. When you want to disconnect TradingView from BingX after your trading session, you can click here, and then you click here log out BingX. And you can see it's now successfully disconnected. You can see here on BingX that my BTC USDT still remains open. My recommendation is that you diversify and learn to use also TradingView and other exchanges. For example, BYBIT is at the moment number 2 crypto exchange in the world. It has better liquidity than BingX. They have more trading products than BingX. They also have more features than BingX, including the BYBIT crypto card that you can use to use your crypto in real life. And I have created more than 150 video tutorials showing you how to use BYBIT step by step. So you can simply take one of your fingers right now, click right here in the corner, and you will learn to use BYBIT immediately.